myself Bhavna. I'm from Computer Science Department, pairing with the roll number 503295505. Today I'm here to explain about my Automata theory final project, which is a travel management application using the CKY parsing. So based on my roll number, which is ending with the odd number, I have taken travel management application. So here in this application, we are mainly focused on facilitating various travel related tasks and functionalities like arrangements and accounts. User can perform actions such as cancelling or changing flight reservation, renewing airline cards or accounts, reserving specific flight seats or rooms, checking flight schedules, seat order status, and paying for tickets. The application streamlines process by enabling tasks like reissuing or changing airline tickets and deactivating airline accounts when needed. Overall, it offers a user-friendly interface for a multitude of travel-related activities, providing convenience and efficiently in handling travel arrangements and account management. Coming to this CFG, as per the requirement, CFG grammar is already given. So based on this CFG, we have converted this CFG to CNF. If we want to create the CFG parsing tables first, CKY parsing tables first, the grammar it should be in CNF. So we have converted the CFG grammar which is given in the requirement, we have converted it into CNF. So here we have added reserve, renew, search, cancel, check, the keywords which we used in our project. All these values have been added in our CNF grammar. So if we can check, some nominal values have been added, some verb VP values have been added, and some noun values have been added. Based on the project requirement, we have created our CNF grammar. After converting the CNF grammar, we have created a valid sentences and invalid sentences, which are around 15 valid sentences and 3 invalid sentences. So all these 15 valid sentences, which are the words should be related to our project. So as we can see here, cancel my flight reservation, like change this flight, renew my airline card, reserve a flight seat, check the flight hours. All these are related to our project. And invalid sentences like check flight hours, cancel reservation, search flight name. All these only 3 invalid sentences I have created. So here converting to convert this to build this CKY parsing table, we need to first we need to divide all these like the sentence, like the first sentence. If you take the first sentence, we need to divide them into each word, as like cancel my flight reservation. We need to divide them into each word. After dividing the each and every word into a single cell, we need to where the cancel word fall under this grammar, we need to check where. Here the cancel word is under yes, and somewhere here at a VP, and also at verb. So like this, we need to fill all these grammar based on that, and we need to do the CKY parsing in bottom up approach. So all these values should be filled for each and every cell, and we need to calculate each and every cell based on the grammar which we got for each and every word. So if we end up with the non-terminal, like the starting symbol non-terminal value with S, then it is a valid sentence, like the end up thing. So if we can see, all the valid sentences are end up with the non-terminal value and which is a starting symbol S. So all these sentences, if we can see, all these sentences, everything is ended with yes. So if we see, so based on this, we can confirm like these sentences are valid sentences. And if we can see the invalid sentences, if we go with the bottom up approach, the output is the final output is X, like there is no grammar is related to end up with the grammar. So this is the invalid sentence. If you can see the second sentence, it is also end up with X, and this is also end up with X, which is not a starting symbol or the non-terminal symbol as S. So we can consider them as invalid sentences. So to show this valid and invalid sentences, I have used the Python code, and I have written the Python code, and once I executed it based on the requirement, for the valid sentence I have displayed it with yes, and for the invalid sentence I have displayed it with no. So if you can see here, all the valid sentences has been displayed with the S. So in a single screenshot, I have displayed all the 15 sentences with the S value. And for the invalid sentences, all the values which is displayed with the no. So I'll execute this valid and invalid sentences in my code here. So this is my code which I have written for with the grammar which I have used in the project. Like the starting symbol with the non-terminal, the det nominal, and the nominal preposition, and all these things I have written here. And based on the sentence, here I have taken the sentence, and based on the sentence, it should be written. If it is a valid, it should return yes. If it is invalid, it should return no. So for example, take the valid sentence. Here we have 15 valid sentences. I'll execute each and every sentence, and I'll show whether it is displaying yes or not. So first I will take cancel my flight reservation. It will return yes. Next I will take change this flight. It will return yes. Renew my airline card. It will return yes. Reserve a flight seat. It will return yes. Check the flight hours. It return yes. Reserve this flight for me. It returned yes. Deactivate this airline account. It returned yes. Cancel my room reservation. It returned yes. Find this airline flight. It returned yes. Check my seat order status. It returned yes. Reissue this flight ticket. It returned yes. Renew my airline account. It returned yes. Pay the ticket amount. It returned yes. Change this airline ticket. It returned yes. Cancel my airline ticket. It returned yes. So as per the requirement, all these 15 sentences are valid. So all these 15 sentences returned yes. So the first requirement have been completed. Now we'll check for the invalid sentences whether it is displaying no or not. So check flight hours. It returned no, as it is invalid sentence. So cancel reservation. It returned no. Search flight name. It returned no. So all our requirement have been met. Like all the 15 sentences returned yes, and 3 invalid sentences returned no. So this is how I have executed my valid and invalid sentences, which I have represented in CKY parsing tables as well, and also in my code also. I have represented all the 15 sentences as valid and invalid sentences with no. This is how I have completed my CKY parsing project as per the requirement. Thank you for this project, Professor.